Well, you're watching Polling Day live here on Mirror Now, and the action is at Nandigram outside the polling booth at Boyal, where my colleague Tanima is also going to join us and bring us live updates. The visuals on your screen right now are from Mamta Banerjee. A short while ago, she went inside this polling booth to take stock of the situation. She has since then parked herself there. She's not moving from there. She's monitoring the situation there. Now, this came after the TMC alleged that the cadre there, the BJP cadre there, are actually blocking the voters. She's saying, and the party is saying, that there is a tense situation on the ground right now after the voters are being blocked. Tanima joins us for more on this. Tanima, we are also getting reports now that Mamta Banerjee is alleging that outsiders have been brought in. This is something that she's been saying a lot, and they are the ones who are creating a tense situation here and blocking voters.
Right. In fact, let me just tell you in short, before showing you the visuals, what exactly is the situation here. On one side, when we walked in, the TMC supporters was claiming that they were not being allowed to vote over here since morning at this particular polling booth, which is why Mamta Banerjee, the Chief Minister and the Trinamool candidate from this area, has come over here to look at this situation. But we've also been speaking to BJP supporters in this area who claim that there is no Muslim voter in this particular polling booth. There's no registered Muslim voter at this particular polling booth, and that TMC is bringing people from outside to vote in this area. So that is the controversy triggering which has in fact triggered the Bengal Chief Minister's visit to this spot. But ever since she came over here, what we can in fact see is there's been a lot of chaos. Police are trying to manage, to negotiate, to in a way tell people to move back. There have been Jai Shri Ram chants which have been raised by sections of people, some from this same village who are standing in this particular route ahead of which we are standing right now. This is the same route through which Mamta Banerjee entered this village. There's only one route to enter this village, at least as a proper path is concerned. Remember, Bengal Chief Minister is on a wheelchair. She had to abandon her vehicle after a certain point in order to make her way up to here. So this is the same route she has to take back. And the other section, if we can show you, is that side, where there is a lot of people who have come from the neighboring village. There are a lot of women, in fact, who are on this particular side. They have also been gathering at the periphery of this particular field next to this polling booth. They have also been raising Jai Shri Ram chants and making these allegations. So essentially, the police at the moment are making sure that the Bengal Chief Minister is still inside this polling booth. There is a semicircle which has been formed by civil volunteers outside that we can show you. They have not let go of each other's hands for the past half an hour that we have been standing here. They are making sure that nobody, at one point there was a section of women who managed to come up to this semicircle and they were shouting slogans against the Chief Minister, but the civil volunteers over here, the Trinamool supporters, in fact made sure that none of them could actually breach this chain that they have created outside this polling booth, as the Bengal Chief Minister is still inside. And
in fact, Tanima, just very quickly for our viewers, while you are seeing visuals on the right-hand side of your screen of Mamta Banerjee coming in, now we also have visuals of her inside that polling booth where she has parked herself. We'll play out those visuals for you in just a bit of Mamta Banerjee inside that polling station where she is taking stock of the situation. Currently, we also, she has been complaining about outsiders for a while. We'll try and bring you those visuals. But the BJP, as Tanima was telling us, is claiming that outsiders have been brought in from a neighboring village to vote. The TMC, on the other hand, alleging that there has been, that the voters there are being blocked. These are the visuals now on your screen. Mamta Banerjee holding a phone. These are live visuals coming in from Nandigram outside the polling booth. In fact, as Mamta Banerjee is speaking to someone, we don't quite know whom she's speaking to just yet. Let's try and listen if there's any audio that we can pick up. Okay, that was Mamta Banerjee there. We saw her speaking on the phone to somebody on speaker incidentally. We'll try and get the information on whom she was speaking to perhaps and what about, but presumably to complain to some authority about what has been happening on ground. She has been there for over 45 minutes now, Mamta Banerjee inside there. Tanima has been bringing us minute by minute updates from outside this polling booth where the situation is currently tense. Tanima, in the middle of all of this, any idea where Shuvendu Adhikari is? Okay, we are having slight difficulty getting that line with Tanima. We will try and get back to her in just a bit. Tanima is bringing us minute by minute updates. These are the visuals right now on your screen of Mamta Banerjee at the polling booth there. She has parked herself there. She hasn't moved out for 45 minutes. Outside that polling booth though, the BJP cadre and the TMC cadre are in fact in a tense face-off with each other. There is a huge presence of police officials, CRPF deployment. In fact, even there is riot control police on standby there if the situation does get out of hand, which we certainly hope it doesn't. This is in fact the first instance today of situation getting out of hand, and otherwise there have been thankfully no incidents reported of extreme violence or any other untoward incident. But right now, Mamta Banerjee, in fact, you can see her holding a phone in her hand and she makes a call to somebody, presumably an authority, to complain about what is happening. We'll give you more updates on whom she was calling and what she was saying a short while. Let's actually listen to what Mamta is saying.
Outsiders, they came from DRUP outsiders, goons, and they have been protected by the central forces.
And they are raising slogans, Didi. They are raising slogans right outside the booth. Intimidating the voters.
Slogan. Outside election commission, don't ask me why.
Didi, আপনি কি জানিয়েছেন ইসিকে?
ভাই আমরা অনেকবার সকাল থেকে 50 বার 63টা কমপ্লেইন পাঠানো হয়েছে। दीदी आपने लगा दीदी के भी एलिगेशन हो रहे हैं सुबह से, वो तो फैक्ट है। घर में पूछो ना। And what is the true talking? They are not Bengal. They are not from Bengal. They are the outsiders. And that complaint we have given so many times, but election commission is only, I don't know what they are doing. Ma'am, sloganeering हो रही है लगातार. भाई आप लोग बोलो ना, खाली मेरे को
ठीक है
देखो सबको तुम सुन ले बहुत.
Okay, we're going to go back to Tanima in just a bit. She joins us live from outside this polling booth where all the action is. Outside the polling booth, BJP and TMC cadre have been engaged in a fierce standoff. And inside the polling booth, Mamta Banerjee making some big allegations saying the... Okay, actually Kamal is joining us from there. Let's go across to him if he has any fresh information and updates for us.
Saying the Election Commission should be more proactive and the Election Commission should take action against the alleged hoodlums who have assembled out here outside this polling booth, who have allegedly stopped Trinamool Congress supporters and Trinamool Congress workers from coming inside and casting their votes. Now the name of this polling booth, I'm not moving my camera because I might just lose the link because of bad network. The name of the polling booth is Boyal Mokta Prathamik Vidyalaya Boyal is the name of the polling booth. That is the polling booth right behind me, and inside that polling booth is Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. If I ask my camera person to zoom from here as much as possible and give you a sense, there is absolute security of the Chief Minister who are outside the polling station. They have not come inside. They have tried guarding the main gate of this very polling booth just to ensure the crowd which had assembled outside, they do not come inside and they do not create any law and order situation. But it seems like it's an absolute divided village now. On to my right are people who are alleging that they have not been allowed to cast votes. Onto my this side, which is the left, they are raising slogans now. It is so sad a scene that neighbors have turned against their own neighbors. A village is absolutely divided today on the election day, and it seems like it's a political divide which has drawn the borders between two villages. So people over there are mostly Shuvendu Adhikari supporters. Didi, আপনি ভোট দিতে পেরেছেন?
আমরা ভোট দিয়েছি, শান্তিপূর্ণ ভোট দিয়েছি, আমাদের ভোটে শান্তিপূর্ণ ভোট হচ্ছে, কিন্তু দিদি আসার পর থেকে আমাদের এখানে প্রচুর ঝামেলা হচ্ছে। কিছু ঝামেলা হচ্ছে না, কিন্তু এখানে
চলে এক রেকর্ড এই জায়গাটার নাম কি?
এটা বয়াল মুক্তা স্কুল 7 নম্বর বুথ।
আচ্ছা, चलिए एक वॉक थ्रू रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं।
Okay, we'll go across to Tanima in just a bit. That was Tamal bringing us an update on what was happening on ground. Tanima, they're bringing us updates. Tamal, they're bringing us updates of what is happening on the ground right now. We'll go across to Tanima in just a bit, but the information that we are getting, the information that Tanima has just passed on to us, is that voting in this booth has been stopped. Tanima.
Right. As you were mentioning, that the Bengal Chief Minister has also just spoken to the Bengal Governor a short while back, essentially saying that since the election process is now in the hands of the central forces, of course, that they are in charge of ensuring a smooth election process. She has called the governor and complained about the fact that the law and order situation in this particular booth in Boyal has in fact been compromised. She's been in this booth for around 45 minutes or so, to say the least. She reached this village at least an hour back. And since then, what we have in fact been seeing is a lot of drama taking place right outside the polling booth, where she has in fact been, inside for quite some time. She's also said that nobody is being able to remember that the polling process is still on, but nobody, our ordinary voter in this village, has not been able to come here because of the ruckus that we have in fact been seeing here for the past 45 minutes.
I apologize for interrupting you. There's some action where Tamal is. Let's go across to him.
Okay. Okay, so the police people are saying the protesters have to be pushed behind because the security situation could be under stress, and over there also the villagers who have assembled, they are all saying that Mamata Banerjee cannot be here, Mamata Banerjee cannot be allowed to be here, and they are all Shubhendu Adhikari supporters, and thus they are questioning as why Mamata Banerjee is here. They are not trying to believe the narrative of the Chief Minister that people have not been allowed to cast their votes. So these people are here on this side of the village. Those people are there on the other side of the village. They are also raising their own slogan. And to give you a quick sense of the polling booth, if I can just go inside the polling booth, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is inside the polling booth, and she has come down here. It's been almost an hour that she is inside, and she is saying that she will not step behind, she will not step out till the time these people have been allowed to cast their vote. She is alleging that over 80% people who have not been able to cast their votes in reality have already been sent back, but their votes have already been cast. So the Chief Minister is making some very serious allegations. She has already spoken to the state governor. She has escalated the matter. She is also saying that she has spoken to the Election Commission for several times. And at this point in time, there you see the Chief Minister is also she is alleging.
Okay, we are having a tough time trying to get to Tamal there. We'll go to Tanima in just a bit. But for all our viewers who are just joining us, there's absolute chaos at a polling booth in Nandigram. The visuals on your screen are live currently. This is Mamata Banerjee inside a poll booth in Nandigram. And outside that polling booth is where there is a pitched face-off between TMC and BJP cadre. We can see Mamata Banerjee, in fact, writing something. Presumably, this is an official complaint, perhaps to the governor, perhaps to the Election Commission. We don't know that. We'll find out and let you know. But what we do know is that Mamata Banerjee has called up the governor. She has complained about the law and order situation. She has also, in fact, accused the EC, Election Commission, and the CRPF forces of acting in a biased manner. She has been there for about an hour now, Mamata Banerjee. A short while ago, we saw her speaking on the phone. She had somebody on speaker, presumably the governor whom she was speaking to at that point of time. Now she is writing a letter to somebody. Both the TMC and the BJP cadre, of course, are outside. The TMC and the BJP cadre are outside, and They are in a pitched battle. In fact, as we could see from what Tamal was telling us earlier, it's almost like on one side of the field, there are scores and scores of TMC cadre. On the other side of the field, there are scores and scores of BJP cadre, both accusing each other, incidentally, of electoral malpractices, both accusing each other of blocking voting. So trading of charges, and this pitched battle continues on polling day as well.
It is watching. 80% Chhappa vote is there, and in front of this PIP and PSL, and they didn't allow the people, local people, to cast their vote. From morning I am complaining, but I am not getting any answer. Even now I am complaining to you as a governor also. Please see that local people, they are not allowed to vote over BJP.
Okay, we could also hear Mamta Banerjee on the phone there right now, presumably speaking to somebody from the Election Commission, because she did refer to the fact that she had dialed the governor as well, complaining that outsiders had blocked voting there. She's accused the CRPF and the Election Commission of bias. Tamal joins us for more.
She came out of her house, came down straight here as she has specific complaint. But then ever since she has come down here, outside this very polling booth, it is nothing short of tension, and only tension. With video journalist Sachin Aram in Nandigram, this is Tamal Shah for Times Now.
Okay, the visuals on your screen right now are of Mamta Banerjee. A short while ago, we heard her complaining about the situation to the governor, seeking his intervention. She was on the phone call with him. We also saw her writing a letter. Mamta Banerjee presumably not going anywhere while the situation is unfolding here at the moment. She has complained that outsiders who are not from Bengal are indulging in intimidation. She has said that they are blocking people from voting. Incidentally, the BJP has also been accusing the TMC of the same. The BJP is saying that the TMC cadre are indulging in electoral malpractices. So we're seeing accusations and counter-accusations on the same days. And interestingly, we don't know where Suvendu Adhikari is at the moment. So far, he has not commented about the situation which is unfolding outside a polling booth in Nandigram, where on one side of a large field, BJP cadre are gathered. On the other side of the field, it's the TMC cadre that have gathered, and at the middle, almost, you know, to try and build some sort of a chain, a protective chain, is a series of police officers, CRPF officials, as well as the riot control police who are on standby.